viewers, welcome to my channel. Before I start this video, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell for more updates. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video on the channel. In this one, I'm going to be reading a book called We Did It Together by Kamala Nair. We're healthcare heroes who work day and night to protect us. Sarah was normally happy and chatty, but today she was feeling gloomy. She wanted to go outside to watch the flowers bloom. She missed playing with her friends. She missed smelling flowers, and she missed chasing butterflies. But mostly, she missed hugging her parents who were away. Feeling heavy-hearted, Sarah began walking around aimlessly. As she walked through her house, she tripped. Ouch! Screamed. Sarah had knocked over her favorite plant. I just said that. Suddenly, a whisper caught her attention. She searched everywhere for the voice. Left and right, up and down. It's me, piped up a little plant from her pot. I'm your favorite plant, Peru. Sorry that I knocked you over, Plant Peru, Sarah said. She sat down, her heart still heavy. What's wrong, Sarah? Plant Peru asked. Sarah replied, I want to go outside, but I'm not allowed. Plant Peru sat beside. Why am I mumbling on words so much? Beside. It's best to stay inside, at least for now. But why? Sarah exclaimed. Although we can't see them, there's an army of tiny germs called coronavirus. They want to make their army bigger. These germs survive inside of bodies like yours, and they can hurt you once they get inside. If someone who has a virus coughs on their hands will be full of little coronavirus soldiers, and if they open the door, the soldiers can jump onto the door handle and live there for hours. When someone else opens the door, the invisible soldiers can move to their hands too. And if that person touches their eyes, nose, or mouth, the soldiers can swarm inside their body and make them sick. Cough, or and a sick person sneezes without covering their face and lets out an achoo. The soldiers charge forward. They use the sneeze to spread into the air. They attack any healthy person nearby. The soldiers enter their bodies and infect them. The people get sick, and the army expands their territory. Achoo! Dun dun dun. What about my parents? Won't they get sick? Sarah was concerned. Doctors and nurses are warriors against these soldiers. They care for people. They are our superheroes, Plant Pearl said. I also want to be a superhero, said Sarah. Great, said Pearl. Then all you have to do is wash your hands with soap, avoid touching your mouth, nose, and eyes, keep 6 feet apart from others, and most importantly, stay at home. If we all stay indoors, the coronavirus soldiers won't be able to find us and attack. And if they can't find anyone to attack, they will start to go away. I'm using this voice as Plant Pearl. That's my new voice for him. But sometimes staying inside for a long time can make you sad. If you are feeling nauseous, close your eyes and take a deep breath and think of a place that makes you happy. You can also play music, make a drawing for mom and dad, or take an adventure indoors by reading a book. Soon, this strange time will be over and your parents will be back home to cover you in hugs and kisses. Once again, you will spend the time smelling flowers, laughing with your friends, and chasing butterflies. Oh, and of course, said Plant Pearl, I will always be here to play too. Someday, when you and your friends lie down in the lush green grass, you'll gaze up at the clouds dancing in the sky, holding hands with hearts full of joy. You will proudly say, we did it together. So, if you enjoyed reading this book, again, I forgot it. So, I hope you liked this video, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye! At least I remembered it. Oh. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, please subscribe to my channel, give a like, and hit the notification bell for more updates. And I will see you in my next video. Bye!